Welcome to GK Quiz IQ for knowledge and current affairs. Pakistan attacks India during raids after 8 p.m. on 8th May 2025. Let's watch the latest news and subscribe to this channel for more. Pakistan targets Indian military sites with drones and missiles at 9:30 p.m. 8th May 2025. Pakistan launched drone and missile attacks targeting 15 Indian military sites in Jammu, Pathankot, Udhampur, Punjab and Rajasthan. The drones were identified as loitering munitions and missiles included surface-to-surface types. Locals in Amritsar reported explosions and flashes. India neutralized Pakistani drone attacks in Amritsar at 10 p.m. 8th May 2025. India's S-400 air defense system intercepted Pakistani missiles and drones targeting Amritsar and 14 other northern and western Indian cities. All Pakistani projectiles were neutralized, preventing damage to military installations. Pakistan uses kamikaze drones in Sialkot and Karachi raids at 10:15 p.m. 8th May 2025. Pakistani forces deployed kamikaze drones, including Turkish-supplied Bayraktar TB2 models, to strike Indian positions near Sialkot and Karachi. These drones were aimed at border posts along the line of control. India reported no significant damage. India destroys Pakistan's HQ-9 air defense system in Lahore at 10:30 p.m. 8th May 2025. In response to Pakistani drone attacks, India used BrahMos cruise missiles to destroy a Chinese-made HQ-9 air defense system in Lahore. This strike crippled Pakistan's air defense capabilities in the region. Pakistan employs J-10C fighters with PL-15E missiles at 11 p.m. 8th May 2025. Pakistan's Chinese-made J-10C fighter jets, equipped with PL-15E air-to-air missiles, were used to target Indian aircraft over Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan claimed these jets engaged Indian defenses, though no Indian losses were confirmed. India counters with Rafale jets and Meteor missiles at 11:15 p.m. 8th May 2025. Indian Air Force Rafale jets, armed with Meteor air-to-air missiles, were deployed to intercept Pakistani J-10C fighters over Jammu. The Rafales successfully deterred the raid, with no reported Indian aircraft losses. Pakistan's missile strikes on Jammu military stations at 11:30 p.m. 8th May 2025. Pakistan fired surface-to-surface ballistic missiles with a range of 450 kilometers, targeting military stations in Jammu's Satwari, Samba, Arispura and Urnia towns. India's air defense units neutralized these missiles, causing no casualties. If you are interested in general knowledge about India, then you may buy this ebook, which has 1000 GK questions and answers at ₹29 only. Please click the link in the description. Number of Pakistani aircraft used in raids at 12 a.m. 9th May 2025. Pakistani forces employed at least 12 aircraft, including J-10C fighters and F-16 jets, to conduct raids across Indian airspace in Jammu and Punjab. This was part of a coordinated drone and missile offensive. India downs Pakistani F-16 and JF-17 aircraft at 12:30 a.m. 9th May 2025. Indian air defenses, including the S-400 system, shot down two Pakistani aircraft, a Lockheed Martin F-16 and a JF-17, over Jammu. The wreckage was reported near Srinagar, confirming the losses. Pakistan's AWACS system destroyed by Indian strikes at 1 a.m. 9th May 2025. India used Harop kamikaze drones to destroy Pakistan's airborne warning and control system, AWACS, in Islamabad, significantly impairing Pakistan's ability to coordinate air raids. This was part of India's counter-offensive. We have come to end of this video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share to watch more videos on current affairs and general knowledge. Thanks for watching.